I have some information that Trans-Pacific Journey was the biggest importer for that round. Is that correct?
Yes, because they are the biggest fishing company in terms of total volume of fish landed.
Can you state for the record who are the owners of this TPJ?
The family of the Tiangcos.
Congressman Toby Tiangco.
Their family, kasi ang kumpanya na yan was owned by their parents.
Do you not find any conflict of interest, Mr. Secretary, that the Tiangcos are importing the largest?
Well, if you want me to really comment on that, I think they deserve what they are getting because they are the pinakamalaki nila land talaga eh. This is very scientific and everything, so wala akong nakikitang issue.
Well, I'm stating it for the record because Congressman Tiangco is actually a member of the Aquaculture and Fisheries Committee in the last Congress. Hindi ba? So you did not make conflicts of interest checks relating to this?
Sa akin, I've been working in the industry for so long. Their family has been in fishing for more than 60 years.
No! No!
It is performance-based, Mr. Chair. So technically, kung sino pinakamaraming land, recorded ng PFDA yan, nagbabawal ng buwis yan, so they should get the biggest allocation.
Pamilya ko po has been in the fishing industry since 1948, no? So, bago pa ako pinanganak noon.
Conflict of interest ba hanap mo? Ito, imbestigahan mo.
Isn't SunWest part of the 15, sir?
I'm not sure.
It is, sir.